Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kanda. This is Praveen. In this Java object-oriented programming playlist, we will learn OOPS concepts step by step. This is Java OOPS programming session number 63, reference type versus object type. If you are serious about learning, then like the video, subscribe the channel for more update. Please click the bell icon and select all notification option. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session updates. Let's get started. In our previous session, we have discussed about what's my runtime polymorphism. In this session, we'll discuss with the basic concepts because many of the beginners are confused with that what is the reference type, what is the object type. So all these things we'll discuss today. So compile time means okay, reference type will be checked. Runtime means object type will be checked. Are you clear? So at the compile time only, the method is call is resolved or fixed. This method is going to execute means it will focus on the reference type. Okay, compile time it will primarily focus on the reference type only. Runtime means at runtime which method should be invoked means it will be depends on the object type. So method overloading coming under this reference type. So compile time itself you know in our previous sessions we have discussed session number 50 to 61. Kindly watch that video. Afterwards, you can refer this session. Okay. So, reference type based on reference type is designing means that will be performed at compile time. Reference type, the method is invoked is a fixed. So, at the time it is going to execute means that is about compile time. At runtime, the decision is taking by JVM means that is based on the object type. That is based on the object type. JVM will decides the which method should execute means that is coming under the runtime. Java compiler itself deciding which method is executing means that is coming under the reference type. I hope it's clear. Real-time example we can take it. Payment system. So here my parent classes are base class or super classes. What is the payment? So I'm already have the Eclipse and show you parallelly, then it's easy to understand. So here, what's your parent class or super class? Payment. We having the method pay. Hereafter, I'm not going to write for UPI or credit card different payment methods using the same method name. Am I right? So that is advantage we already discussed in polymorphism, code readability. So you can do the payment in n number of ways, but the method name is common. So that is about polymorphism. Using the same method name behaves differently for different objects. Here, the method name is pay. This is the task or action. Okay. After that, in child classes, I'm going to override that method. In child classes, I'm going to override the methods. So what is that pay is already present in the payment. In UPA class, I'm going to override that method. In UPA class, I'm going to override the methods. Okay. The payment is going to differ. UPA means the UPA business logic is different. So here what I'm using means at override because I'm going to override the pay method present in the base class. We already discussed in our last session method overriding. See here, parent class reference, okay, child class object, same method signature. Okay. So this is about runtime polymorphism. Method overriding can you watch. Child class provide its own implementation. Child class provide its own implementation of a parent class method. Here what's the parent class method? Pay. So this child class which one? UPA extends. This is a basic inheritance concept. I'm going to extend the payment class. Inherit the payment class data members and method. So add to override is the recommendable one annotation. So then only Jamie will understand. We are going to overwrite the method. Which method? Already it is present in the payment class. So I'm going to overwrite the method. What is that? The business logic is differing. Payment via UPA. This pay method is overriding the concept of the parent class. Okay, now it is matching with the definition. Child class provides its own implementation of a parent class method with the same method signature. See here there is no argument. Here also there is no argument. Similarly, we can go for other child class also. Credit card extends payment, but I'm overriding which method? The payment class method. Payment class method already having this or pay. I mean that is a pay method. I'm going to override it in the credit cards at override. Now I'm going to the main class. This is the important thing. How this runtime decision is happening. This is the important thing. Many of the beginners are confusing, wrongly understanding about the concept. Runtime file means what is that? Method call is resolved are fixed at runtime based on the key point, based on the object. Okay, so here how it will work means, so here I'm creating the parent class reference types here payment reference variable is p equal to new UPI. So in our previous sessions we have discussed while discussing about the compile time polymorphism how it will work internally. I'm telling here. So at compile time what I'll check means this reference class is present or not. So here payment p means payment class is present or not. Yes, of course it is present. Next, what I'll do, it won't get in the object part. Object will get in the runtime object and all created in the runtime. So next what I'll check, so p dot pay whether the parent class method contains this method or not. This is what I'll check. It won't execute method. I'll check yes same method is present. The same method signature is present. After that, here p dot pay. So again, it will check only this method is present in the parent class or not. It will check whether this method is present in the parent class or not. During compile time, only it will check the reference type only. That's it. During compile time, it will check only the reference type and then the method signatures as per this present or not. That's it. Okay. Now I'm going to exit in the main class. Save this code. UPI save. Credit card also save. So I have created a object for UPI credit card. So next, what will happen during compile time? We'll check only the class is present or not. Yes, of course, payment is present. P dot pay means that method is present in this payment class or not. Pay, yes, it won't execute it. Just check whether the as per this it is present or not. Definition. So credit card also pay. Yes, is present or not. It will check done. During runtime only. Okay, during runtime only. After I'm executing only, this object will be created new UPI, new credit card. So new UPI object is created mean next p dot pay. So what will happen means now parent using the parent class reference variable we are accessing the child class object method. So now what will happen means instead of this parent class, because of new UPI, because you are creating new object. So UPI, so p dot pay means now this parent class reference variable works on UPI class, that is child class UPI method. So what will happen? We already overriding this at pay. At override we already mentioned. So payment method is override. Now output is payment via UPI. Next another thing what I'm doing. Another object is created credit card. Now parent class using the parent class reference variable, we are accessing the child class method. This is called upcasting. We'll discuss in the forthcoming session. Okay, we are upcasting. We are going forward. Okay, one step again or up from parent to child. So using the parent class reference variable, we are accessing the child class object. Got it? So new credit card. So this credit card method will work. So output is payment via credit card. Already the output is payment via UPI. Now second line payment via credit card. This is what will execute. We'll check whether it is executing or not. So first thing we have to execute payment via UPI and then payment via credit card. So as per explanation, it is working. I hope you are clear with this. This is an important thing. Next, what is in by dynamic method dispatch? So in the next session we'll discuss. I hope now you are clear this how this runtime polymorphism is working. So runtime polymorphism simple thing. The method call is decided. Now match the definition. Runtime polymorphism means the method call is decided at runtime. Last session we have discussed this definition. The method call is decided at runtime. See here which method UPI class method credit card method is deciding at runtime based on the object type, not the reference type. Based on object type in the sense new UPI, new credit card. Based on this object type only, the method is decided at runtime, not the reference type, not this payment. Okay, it's working on UPI and the credit card objects. I hope this session is useful for you. If it is useful, then like the video and please share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.